and welcome to the lesson. In this video, we learn about how to back up your data. The purpose of backing up your data is to develop a copy of your data that has been entered into the CANREG 5 system to safeguard it from data loss. Therefore, data backup is important in following circumstances. First, after the first installation of the CANREG 5 system and you want to add data that were in another CANREG system into this new system. Second, after reinstalling the CANREG system in your computer and want to add data again to the system. Third, when your computer malfunctions and you need to format your operating system, the software that you have already installed will be permanently lost in this situation. To perform a backup, click Management and then click Backup. Then the backup window will open. Click Perform Backup button and it will start the backup process. This function creates the backup on the server machine. Server machine is a folder which was created when you install the CANREG system. You can see the path of the folder in the backup window. You can open the backup folder by clicking Open Folder Containing Backup button as shown in the video. Now let's see how to restore a file. Click the Management menu and then click the Restore button. Then click Browse and find the backup folder. Start the restore process by clicking Restore button. If you have successfully restored your file, you will get a message like this. Remember to log into the system again after the restore. You learned about how to backup and restore your data in this lesson. Please complete the quiz and I will see you in the next lesson.